that's the first 100 miles done. Only another, oh man, what was it, 800 to go. Anyway, so that's my toll paid, and then next stop petrol station, obviously. At least I'm out of the rain, so that is good. At least it's dry now, so well, at least I have a reason getting off the bike. And maybe have a coffee. Ooh, ooh, ooh. So, I think this is it. That brings the 5-hour ride from Liverpool to the Channel Tunnel pretty much to an end. I have to figure out where I have to go, and then on the train and up to France. Excellent, here we are now, waiting for the train, guys. Just at passport control, everything is fine. I'm the only one in that lane. Finally here, and I'm the only one in here. Have a look at this. Thank you very much, thank you. Just got a bottle of water. How cool is that? Right, that is me, first class. I have my own carriage. How about this? Right. Sortie, I think that means get out of here. Hey everyone, it's me again. It's 7 o'clock, so what means I'm on the road for 16 hours. So I'm at the last stint in Belgium now. So and then I only have to do about another 350 miles and I'm with my dad. I think I get that done in one go, be honest. I was planning to stay overnight somewhere, but I should be there at midnight. But it's definitely worthwhile trying. If I can't ride anymore, I just have an hour's sleep somewhere on the roadside. Well, hey, welcome to Cologne. A lovely place. I used to live and work here. Really enjoyed it. Going down the memory lane. Right guys, quick update. Another 350 kilometers to go, about 200 miles. So I think I should be at my destination at 2 o'clock in the morning with a bit of luck. It's getting a bit long in the teeth now, it really does. I'm somewhere by close to Frankfurt on a service station. Hey, check this out. The moon right over the motorway. Absolutely gorgeous. So that was the last pit stop. Fueled up another 10k and I made it. It's about time. That was a long day. And here it is, the sign. I was looking for Kulmbach. Hey, welcome home. Here we go, we made it. Now you already left the car outside, excellent. Woohoo!